may I request distinguished guests of honor to be seated on the dais. Professor N. Kabilan, Professor N. S. Nafiz Bano, Professor Shripat Hegde, Professor Suresh Kumar, Tashi Dele, Tsonduring la Lafto cover the Dametang Sharona, Tuchenang. Tashi Delek, may I request you all to put your cell phone on silent mode. Thank you. Tele Rinche Sesang Yangeme, Chuda Munge Media Shagatup, Yachemelum Gomba Yonzoba, Dewasheba Gela Chatelo, Kuru Gindugide, Kundu Namba, Sojarba, Tula di Gelelom Yonla, somebody Testele Shua the Churchy, and you, Tata Rebe Sojin, Unji Zegu, Undu Shuchabashu. Venerable Sangha community, respected guests, dignitaries, delegates, staffs and teachers, and students of Central University of Tibetan Studies, Thomadela, Kuru Niverida Chone, Nangse Shinjin Nangyu. To begin with, may I request Honorable Vice Chancellor of Central University of Tibetan Studies to lead a lamp. Teje Luma Namne Shija Sungyu, Shija Thoma Leja Kedo Sungyu, Manglacharan by the girl students of Kuts in Sanskrit.
Yannamasam Shravanam Matrataya Vidukha Daridadur Gati Vinasha Karam Subudam Vyaptam cha Vishwa Kripayeva Vishagurum Yam Vedurya Raja Manisham Tamaham Namami Yatvata Pitta Kafaroga Sudukhitaya Sabhyetare Gadaparita Harita Kimyam Vame Sudha Lagu Katamcha Kare Dadanam Vedurya Kanta Manisham Tamaham Namami Yadvadashab Praniti Siddha Vishagurum Yam Sambara Yukma Paridhi Pitanila Varnam Chitrashiyam Varadamudra Mavastitam Yam Vedurya Kanta Manikam Tamaham Namami Vedurya Kanta Manikam Tamaham Namami.
Thank you. Pyoge de Shija Sungju, Manglacharan by monk students of Kuts in Tibetan. Kundu namla Dezin Ginzin Nevelopin Doji Damdi Chone Shinda Bugu Kata offering to the distinguished guest by Dr. Doji Damdi, Head of the Department of Sorikpa. Dezin Ginzin Nevelopin Doji Damdi Chone Kasi Sungshe Kalop Kadin Kyangyu. Welcome address by Dr. Doji Damdi, the Head of the Department of Sorikpa. Good.
tukche dhruwe tende chumdende tsansan tuwe ngandwe tungay gyub tuksum nese sanje mengi la binduriya la chaksalo. Honorable Professor Keshe Ngao Samdela, Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor N. Kabilan, Professor and Head, Department of Sita, Dr. MGR Medical University, Tamil Nadu, Professor S. Nabis Banu, Principal, Government Unani Medical College, Bhopal, Professor Shripat Hegde, Professor of Government Homeopathic Medical College, Bengaluru, Professor Suresh Kumar, former Director of Indian Institute of Ayurvedic Panchkarma, Kerala, Dr. Chawan Tamdela, Personal Physician of His Holiness Dalai Lama, Professor Lobsang Tenzing Raktola, Dean, Faculty of Sorikpa and Port Jyotish, Dr. R.K. Upadhyay, Registrar of the University, all the deans of the faculties and heads of the departments, Joint Registrar, Librarian, CT Director, in charge of all sections, scholars, distinguished guests, all the doctors who had come all the way from every corner of the country, all the staffs and students, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and privilege to propose few words to welcome you to this national seminar. All the traditional medical systems have a very long history dating back to many thousand years, having great influence of its own religion, culture, way of life and environment. It is still alive and prevailing very much in the world with huge demand and with great interest. All the traditional systems are very sacred and having vast knowledge with holistic view and a great potential to serve the suffering patients. It is important to know and understand different views and techniques of diagnostic of different systems through open discussion and research to achieve our ultimate common goal. It can be successful only when we work in collectively with broad-minded, share our knowledge and to pursue well-researched methodology. In addition to this, we must prove our potential old-aged medical systems scientifically to this modern age. In 7th and 8th century, 33rd and 37th sovereign ruler of Tibet invited many renowned scholars and organized many discussions and symposiums. Particularly in the 8th century, the first international conference was held in the year 728 after Common Era, organized by the 37th king of Tibet, Trisong Düzen. 9 renowned scholars were invited from different neighboring countries and had discussions and debate for a long time on each medical system, which might be the earliest international conference in the world. The theme of this 3-day-long seminar was on diagnosis. The very aim and objective of this seminar on diagnosis was to enhance the diagnostic technique. It is because for a complete and meaningful treatment, diagnostic technique is only important. Each system has its own specific techniques of diagnostic methods, and it is certainly important to discuss and exchange our views and thoughts in one platform. It can also improve the interaction between all the traditional medical practitioners. During this 3-day seminar, there are 7 plenary sessions and 12 parallel sessions and 12 paper presentations on this subject. On this 3-day seminar, 148 participants assembled here from all over India and few from abroad, including 19 invited renowned scholars, experts, 12 paper presenters. We have also invited 46 students from different colleges and universities to participate in the seminar to earn their knowledge and experience. We are grateful and thanks to all the experts and participants who came all the way from long distance to attend this important national seminar beside the basic schedule. Last but not the least, may all the traditional systems provide on this earth for the benefit of all sentient beings. Once again, on behalf of the university, Department of the Soka Rigpa, and the organizing committee, I welcome you all and hope this seminar a great success. Thank you very much. Taring Gyalong Takda Rigbe Sojin Unjin Zegu To Pepe, Zulalonye Kangi Rigda, Luben Chimbu Kishing on some dencho. Tamil Nadu MGR Sida Mengi Lopte Lobe, Tan Tezen Genzin Chikjo, Professor N. Kablin Cho. Bobal Yunani Mengi Lopte, Lupchi, Professor S. Navis Banucho. Bangalore Homopathy Turim Lopte Lobe, Professor Sharipat Hegde Cho. Kerala Jakar Seriki, Lenge Zula Kangi Eden Suba, Professor Suresh Kumacho. Kuilame, Member, Lord Swanton Dincho, Minzi Genzi, Loben Chimbo, Radulos Denzincho, Lomia Kangi Rigdung, Dr. Arki Ubadecho. Rigde Genzin Tang, Dezen Genzin number, Chota, Damine Pepe, Ku, Kewan, the Gunda number. Sojingi, Chashi Lingi, Zamin Sajo Kansan, Soja de Peve, China member, Lomia Kangi Gagan and Legend, Lomia Wayon, Garsu, Samtishua, the Ta, Shuden Yungor. Zamlin did Manyam Sumber Neve, Suji Mengi Rigpa. Nam long tonda mongbu when the tashing. Think to Zamling is such a council, Gametan, kept the council, Russian Yang, Tatungala Minyam Kongbedang, Nyamba Suju, Yongtap Chidang, Keber to choke the council never Suji, Rigbe, Membanam, Sane Chik to Zumki, Pinsu, Nyamyon Koto Beretang, Trolling Kutur Changshi to Bachuna, Membarang, Toya Tongyada, Sheze Kongbed Roazam to Masse, Suji, Rigbe, Shungluki, Menga, Lalin Chuk to Droa. Taking thing to say. Yaki Chambur Chinde, Zezun Duzenki, Tuchiki, Neze Tombor Lefing, Nezun Muke, Maktuki, Yolang, Che, Cheve, Dura, Music by the Chungda Chungshimbe, and the Nerik Sardan Mangbushi of Tetala, Nyamruki, Nyamshibdang. Nyango, the Sodaki Lalin set up, Lakbar to Mengi Chunglu, Mida Mangbushi of Teta, Quingi Tadu Lalena, Los Sword Neve Tone, Nyanshi Lobjon, the Penzul Kutur Janshi, Chunglu Susu, Menga Lalin, Patusulengi. Tortug Miyu Lucem Neginabe, Kanyam Royonla, Mushu Gune, Pendo Shamde, Kansan Shoot to Miyu Dang, Rivajan and Sojendi, Dugonchevash in. Marikada Dumbeka Su, Budget Tudo Susumba, Sonzen Kambu, Yakana, Tasi Sumne, Member Kewan Tentan, the member Susu, Yuluki, Sojenam, Gyurhing, Zembu Menjenam, Yakanata, Dojo Peggy Lukichim Sum the Temple of So, Rishun Chudu Donda Zebatang. Takbatu, 야다 개배 값수 베지 수된바 최제 최종 대전기 구제되도 주베세 숨당 대제 초대 멤버 다진 그 대단에 삼위 민주 흔기도 죽라 강도 실로 된게 뉴잡게 로 계제 소진 탱당부 초안에 로단 다와테데 돌린 장시 나이바당 두람 미슈바 내지바 산에 자민도 맹기 소진 치라 망부시 초여장 수주 멤버남 현존기 딱다리베토 딱다리베 코네토 니드네 장시 제기 통만임을 내신 랑게 대랭게 소진들이 돌린 땀시 제기 주시 조니 딱다리베 거린 주시디 담고비 규제니 대한 내라 저다 내도 캐와 낙도 자게 시 용알라 딱딱 창라만 넣어시 고신 딱딱랑 민주 루스민다와 소소 딱딱이 낙제민다와 나조이 수준 소소니 셰베 딱딱이 레히 남 편준 전랭단 장시 제대 투몽구 미유 친구들 루트베 배전 작업인 대나 내 문제 딱딱되네 내 수수 저답다 자기 사주 지중라 매도 미룡베 개신시 차여 대대 다른 게 소진디 주시 딱딱이 번디 개간 침불 송대 담바시긴 니순기 딱딱이베 소진들이 개용 약을 개용 민기 루스민다와 수수는 송신난게 개왕카 줄구당 제좀 조장난게 멤버당 중이 민기 투림 로브카는 냠용의 세제 공배 동지 수니도 준비 제가 멤버 민기 로브 당시셔도 대민 소진들이 체도 소쇼난게 멤버당 두지든지 제 현동 소자로 미당 야다시 비셔기 잠패도 편절도 중요해 수진 민기 링슈 리글롱 자진 딩이 라르 멤버 남기 소된다 케라 코네 된좀도 민주와 폭장 링부 링보르 삼데 구양 계지 도난다 성공 알라기네 랑신 미리 리숑도 제와 잠닝기 딩제 템플도 트네 견도 타달 펜데도 투바당 하버도 두람 예지바 데리 야 야튼진기 두럽 딩두 릭서 맨단 단냠 곰도 뿌트베 고유 매도 메롱와시 차요 타데 제베 다저 로용기 권접 진호고 겸근 전부초 구제셰베 미식 도제 감수 댄징 투기셰는 타다 흥기도바당 민기 템바딩이 다르시스 두네 견도 타달라 편자 야친부 두토바당 갑데 대랭들이 니숨기 링 초규 믹도에다 틈발 랑르 멤버 남네 랑하는 그 냠용당 맹아 공철 삐리 상마는 냠용당 튼드의 장시 구두 고갑 양회중으로 렌트베 레멘시기 제인 투지체
도체나 대제 멘즈릭데 겐진 로벤치모 라돌로산 덴지 촌데 딱다르베 겐요 초젠게 모드 숭기디즈 좀 로버저요 thank you. Now we have keynote address by Professor Ragdolovsan Tenzin, the Dean of Faculty of Saw Ripa and Board Jyotish. Cuts, sir, you have time limits of 15 minutes. Thank you.
Del PB Jamni Genduji, Sarnat Puja Zunga Lomnia Kanking Edumba, Kiman Gaja something cho. Jango German Botamjin changes the Bachembo, Chok Guyelami, Dr. Santam Tincho. Taminad Dr. MGR means Tula Nomia Kanke, Seda de Zinji Unzi, Keman NK Bilan Bopar HSZH Jagar Yongi Yunani means Tolov Zonzi, Keman S. Nafis Banu Bangalore. Homopath Melo Tulalomia Kankin Kiman Shirpa the head Jagal Lingi Tulalo Kanke Zonzi Surpa Kema Suresh Kumar Puja Tulalomia Kanke Zinjon Keridon Dr. R.K. Obadea 대전도 야 부제 둘라롬냐 강그 소와리비 대진지 게 헤드 도다 도지 담진죠 아니 예야 둘라롬냐 강게 개원 넘버 대전도 아니 진전데 봐 요비 에 레지바 넘버 아니 강가다 드렌데야 세미나 디테일라 팀전한 토바데 네 시부지 가부죠 아니 강가로야 토지체나 다다히 들리셔야이 다 제가 두수의 시간 매비소를 드리자 답대부지는 마 쉬야인 제정의 get the Ngaramada language. I try to speak on my language, on Tibetan. Just that Rubu Rajamato Shujayani, Jedanta Kangechingiore, Jagarda, and a burning the Lojukitania Shibujan Devachambu de Nijigda, and it's Harvard. That things hang to Yatura Nishibina, and in Turamista Jibingo. Things hang to Yapu, show the region, Pu Merek the Jeba, Talan Royag, Tanya Chambu, they take to Jigla, and a Pu show the region, Merek the Jeba, that when they saw a change to Jenkingi, Jarkap, so get Merek, and it into Jeta, Tang Troji Jinka, Payuni Bajares, and attended Turkijo, Javajon the Mamato, Peshivici, Pokicho, the region like Champions, and it now Nomag Lojukitan Yobatam de Mazi, Tandanya Musundo, Tangazolia Gang and Tijim Catula, Shivici Champions, then a young Jatin Suji, Shuyani. And it Jarkap did Nanolia, Zamin did Nano Yonking, that Chulu page of Denis Sadu Jebada, and it Chulu page of Tanda Lumban did Nania, you deninge, need to indigere. 아니 등산근 잡는 게 내줄 바대비잖아. 졸록 대소 편주 가르바다 아니 답주기야 졸록 가지는 가르바게 농가 때문에 좀 가도 된대 제글이야. 아니 롱반 디나를 용경기야 따도면 담아도 졸록만 잡아도 제기제리야 편주 로존다 참투다 냠네 지투야 두체용된 잠블랭 디나노니 오늘아 배jarkam들이야 메게다 오비 겐세 망보지. 여버징에 졸기요. 대인도 제장가 Tindike da Jarkam di Nanola, Zamilan can draw Tamjigia Reva Jasada, Muji Yoba the Karesena, Soso Devo Yonyada, Ani Kartea Devo Majumba, member Katalan Dogoya Jerevina, and in Jobu Jobu Tayada, Tindigia, Muyuke, Tenlian Zamilan Dike, Draw Tamji, Muyutindiki, Tenlin so Devajiri. Tea into Tindik and sort of require young Chajavina, and in Lumban di Nanola Yata, so you can make Mambo Shivaji Udeni. 아니 소중 게매 망고 대조야 다른 공도 시합이 졸록도 나지지네 배 소소소소 로중 제약 튼제 연이 소소 마냐베 준지 제약 튼제 연이 아니 대리야 군론 요되니 딘디긴 기만 망고 연이 어 딘디기 야다 jarkap 오늘 한 메시지 차디요리 아니 디나노 다 드랭도 대리야 디나노를 요된게 소중게 네 보지소와르바 아니 자가 세리지 유난히 세다 호모베티 단 두스 삼노탄요 바이난 잠닌 디나는 용경게 소중게 맹게 리과다 Chinese medicine 단단 디나는 야마주비소르지 레디자 시마도 폐제다 소중게 맹게 리과 요수조바 룽반 디나는 매버지 짠이 미데니 존도비리 대제윤도 제상 대령은도 딘디게다 자가나는 용경 소중게 맹게 리과 돼서 조직도 조루루지네 아니 파조야 냠뇨 페레다 깨져셔야 돼. 당 드랭네 둘라dom에 간데기야 또 스코딩난 요리 디나노리아 당도 텐디게 코딩 지고야 그 줌센데 제단 단지 건도셔바나지 잠블린 디나노리아 초된 만나봐 주링보내야다 아니 가든 나와이나 면조 제야 돼 직세돼야 되게 nen가라부터 가바톡 되게 요르잖아 멤버 지금 원에 삼노단 바이나 인도 내제데 만들어지는 양원지 지고야 돼 뱀마시비 개참 차리요리 담면 그리 용소소니 소탑게 맹하다 랑네다 텐데 망보 주송게 요리 될래 갈때 아니 멤버 되기야 네데 미스 다이그노스틱 상게 제제바이나 야는 원지 너르바이나 아니 되게 면조 타다 로관도 용도 제자 권한게 나리오비 니들레 마페 받담도 마지 아니만 중절게 니 망보지야 사바조 용거 요자다 딱딱 그리과데 면조가 랑네 토딩 나는 하장게 개참 차리요리 대제용도 제자 딘디기야 딱딱 그리과데 소중게 면데도 아니 펜수 시도다 냠뇨페레다 뭐 딘디기 용약다 미유자니한테 또 수업이래 아니 대야 땅도 등산 잠벌랭 두람이 짝집이 나는 상노담베이나 세르긴 메세라베이나다 야나 알로페티기미 아니 대던 저바 용긴게다 니 딱딱 그리고 레버트리 담 한람 잠벌랭 디나는 메사 메버지리디요리 한람 딘디기 메사 글롱바지 세슈슬람나 아니 한람 매비소라들이디요. 덴데제긴 니주고 아니 소중게 멘도 양자 소중게 멘도 딱답지니 야 고바 카리요 삼바라고 덴데 용싱기로 봐. 제자 덴데기야 덴데 티산이래요 말이. 소중게 멘게 딱답게 리바데죠. 문네랑 소중게 멘게야 네다 아니 르른 진비 따바데다 등산 릭서기야 네다 르른 진비 따바데 베데 로가리디요. 대제 연도 제상가란서 초된 잠불랭게 메만 요소 조박은 초된이야 소중게 맹거리 받아서 고야다 맹조거리 받아서 고야 차디요 다 등산변에 자가나로야 메카시 차야버이나 아니 딱답데 등산가 모든 게야 딱답되지 아니 대래야 소중게 메 제리지게 메라 소바 어떤지 제약 루소지 비지 갈 간삼지 첨부지 차디요리 제자 텐디 그따마 샘땡게 텐디 저게 아우타 소중게 메 딱답도 고야 말이 아니 모든 게 제조리 비 딱답다 아니 딱답 그 탑시 마부죠 제자 텐도 렉도그리 삼바지 용되게 요리 대응해 삼노 담배이나 저때 논추 첨부지를 삼겨요리 대체 용도 제자 드레데야 손 초고야 되죠 대 줌센 가르쳐야 되어서나 단대 콘디스테 받나지 소중게야 아유 메디라 소바 소중게 메게 네단 르는 짐비 따dob되다 아니 모던 게 네단 르는 짐비 따dob되 베들로가 차대바 인도 아니 당노스데야 모던 게지 델로 소중게 메조제야 탑시 즉 제번이나 단 전부 빙기 요샤리 되네 얘네 공무유 니주게 되는 약간의 가보절이 돼요 대인도 제사 된데 등상기야 모던 당노스를 잡아자네 아니 소중게 메 딱답리 받아라니 좀 많이 암로야 아니 지금 좀바데도 삼는 나노리아 모든 당노스마도 고임도 삼대야게 다대 페이지 삼는 나고 야 매종선내면도 하나님 요제선내면도 된디지 요번에 안 된조 갈래갈래 림뱅에도 지기 세트야다 아니 뭐 딱답 그리고 소중 그리고 저리 제일 요되는 게 제조도 현대 연구 봐서 그래다 셰도 중배이나 아니 내 변자는 지금만 변도 그래서 아니 하버드야 소중 그리고 된주 나노니 송야비 다 멤버게 제주열 멤버 세대야 돼다 등산기 멤버 차지하면은 배제 종박종 되지 아니 내박이야 멤버 둘러가본 통 권인 통용도 시고야 돼 차대요래 제가 소중게 메데도 삼노 담배이나 멤버 파니 내바 참배 종세 멤버다 내바니 그 바로 돼 파마다 부중인 데와 옆에서 온다고 다 된대지 삼수 지고야다 된대 인도 돼 된대기 때문에 잠바는 인제 세대야 돼 잠불랭긴 로바 선제 탐질 요구해 저래마도 나머 요 등산민은 링에서 오는 요리요 말이 제가 된대 인도 된대게야 다 소중 더 많이 준전도 제는 아니 잠세 된비야 멤버 된대 야보 그 찹토야 세네면도 잠세 된비 멤버 만보지 아니 잠는 로바 미야 대지 배는 용야게 다 레바도 된대 잠냥도 돼 도스지요 다 디나노니야 부기 소바리 바라지 차자면이나 부기 다 제담 쇼고야면도 다 부디한 잠불랭게 제리바야 요래 관계 챙기래 난가모니 럽게 요래 단다이 오인이도 다가라래 아니 잠불랭게 야 출롱 축가시사지 바구 여바이나 된저 탐지 부관쟁이 존이 마 소자갈 바구 요래 파파키스탄 바구 요래 파자나를 바구 요래 대예든 잠불랭게 출롱 명체와긴 중콩도 버저래 아니 대잠도 맞아야 부게 로주를 대베이나 할람 시에땅다고 될이야 지 리지그 담주다 된다면 시기 요래마도 우유 중화를 대베이나 아니 에시안 나노게야 초다 리종 망부제기 중콩 아니 내 부기 롱바리 되니 안 학바도야 면조된 들바 연이게 중콩 망부제 부 로주기 되니야 부리 되니 되는 되요래 대전연도 제단 다 롱바디를 로주기 때문에 삼나타면나 단다 공도 도장도 숨분하지 한람변 잠블랭 나노니 다 세미나 당부 총인 하나브리에서는 랍투야 존다비제래 아니 학바도야 조제 손쟁 감보다 최선대쟁 그들라 초게 멤버도 된den션에 아니 초게 멤버들 속에 초게 멤버들 속에 냠뇨다 초게 멤버들 속에 라네데서 간사 찌게 멤버 찌게 가르메도 냠네 찌고야게 템다 루소 된데서 요래 록체 순비 좋다 마도나 멤버 키비텔은 메주데 반난 칼은 토에 냐바세 냐바진스네 부게야 소바르바 부게 민족거 리바 요바 디땡라 아니 자나글로 자르글로 또 딱지게 로세 다 유나니 할람다 불이야 그리스men 루소데 딱지게 멤버 주니야 볼소 타요마인도 디순보데 가르미 줍지 남데 제니야 간사 네바지 민족 제약이 지도 간가 라네 달고야 된데 멤버지 요고 요세네 거나게 잘보고 템소예요래 도스인도 제자 부 멤버 쪽이 지가게 나눠라 아니 민족을 바카니나 내 족족 나와지 유대바인도 제자 된데게 소준상보다 좀 냐면용야다 된도 문에 다즈베 인도 루소인에서는 냐면용아 잠도 맞에 잠블랭 도와 셈jel이야 펜토야 용야 된데게 야직 따도변이게 멤버당 아니 랑에 연이 멤버 덴디지 문투 잠을랭 야네 투야 어 덴디게 고바다 덴디게 지니 딱 가서 봐봐 되는 니 딱탑 그리고다 근데 덴디게 다 소중게 맹 그리고 덴주 나노래 랑에 다 예바 지요래 그래서 덴주 레레를 지칭게 찬 삼노 담이는 게저 단 믹스게 야 되는 딱탑 그리고 되는 야 그래서 내 돈랭당 케비 손도 쏘고야 돼 단다 콘도 셔봐나지 니 그때 니를 매주 제약 탑시 망고지 요래 돼 가때 니 노르는 건지만 있나 아니 되게 좋답다 아니도 찾아 논두도 요래 대인도 니 딱답대 멤버질 또 배인한다 내바질 또 배인한다 하장 대체 못 차대 요래 다 된데 그나노니 소중게 니 딱답 그리고 나노니야 니들 따라 되는 또 고야지 요래 다 되게 멤버 요질로 신기 요래 니들 따라 되는 또 고야지 인도 니들 따라 되는 또 야게 리과데 당은저 제바 체마제디야 다 체마고 꼴이야 단다 네 양부 망부지 주기디나 조스게 면도 대인도 단 돈이 셔바이 난은저 미는 민중비리과 야면나 윤제지리과 다 야면나 예수밥이 체마그 발레 때네 아니 네다 루겐들바 아니 노지지 네 되게야 노제지 감라 제밤 노연도 아니 되게다 실로라야 르당하다 노자지 감 심발라 따따다 체마가리 쇼 샤기 여바데죠 제바 체마가 된 도도 야와데니지리 대인도 변나 등산 우리 다 체마가 고든데 남망부쇼 먹고 제잖아 배제 제제는 게 체마고 야부신기면 인자 체마리 관청게도 게모션도 가버래 제제나 아니 단다 믹스자 단게 계자셔야 되죠 님보다 버지 뒤제요 아니 대나를 세번이나 천토야 어떤데래 도진도 당은 좀 따라 되는 야 니도야 돼제 가르쳐 거는 좀 오시시주 세대야 존다보다 야면나 아니 근데 자두모도 대주 세대야 존다지 말해 뭐요 니주 촌이지 받은 좀 말. 릭바 이게 나니 촌이지 받아 도둑지 받잖아. 디 촌이 그 받아 도둑지 받 인자로는 된. 인자로 그 받대 딱탑대 배주 당연도 우리네도 차 되냐 어떤데 저래. 딱딱tam 부그 소와리 바 고랑 그 딱탑 운에 될이야. 다 부그 소와리 비 용도 되나니 셰단다 제바이나 제다 부그 소와리 바 고랑 holistic approach said the Tanda modern Kejavena. I need the Nimba Kejavena, and if a Chashi Yozu was said the Yadi. Then Koryuginatan Yanare, Semgangan Rivanare, and it's Sejuk Koyanare, Jolam Koyanare, that's Brechor, Chokujobanamnet in the Yanare, Yozu Zobalango, Trotin Lasano Tamba Yanada, and then Garden number Johnny and Navacha and then need 니들 다네 선생님도 야만에 니들 손에 대탄도 니야 된소 용도 줘버려야 초 된소 용도 줘버 상당 거야 지금 제가 곧다줍들이 아니 대전도 다 딱딱 그리고 발랑이 배 대전들이 제장 딱딱 그리고 받아 sol아야 고난게 내상 고요를 삼노단 거야 윤대게 세주를 삼노단 거야 아니 윤대게야 샘감다 아니 저기 내다 된소 용도 줘버려 삼노단은 저 초 용도 줘버네 딱지 지고야 대지 연도 제장 딱답 그리고 발라냐 아니 초용수 조비 딱답 차대 요래마도 초래가 잡으러 차요 말이 다 된도 저 락비 저 락바 잠지 저 뒤에나 아니 롱아 줄을 따버서야 돼야 존다 아니 진이 따라 따버서야 돼 편우 공발을 따버서야 돼야 다 배제 디손는도 그래 다 롱아 줄을 따버는데 단지 kondu시바나지 코나기야 세다 존남 내생 고요 된도 내단 대조리야 다시 지용도 아니 대도 된대기 제빈 리븐 내진 임바이나 아니 저든 리븐이는 개바 용바래 다대고 존이 그리 봐자디 여러와 어 대진용도 아니 농아 줄라다 봐. 단 진이 따라다 봐 세대한데 진이 세대한데 세마다 대권한이 세용도 근데 뭐보 가리 임바이나 코랑 손버집이 초대라 되네 손버집이 최초함 초대라 되네 아니 딘손 손자기야 내제도 따고야 된지리 대체연도 부그소와리비 존이 마삼노 담바이나 내제 될이야 네게 줄라 템비 당에 될라 네바 솜선이 지되요래 네바 솜레 네 솜마도 요말 쓰기 요말 네바 솜레 마종베 네 매바리 junhege juga tangere de ju jebin senyi de ya senyi nisho tamba shege yore ani dendegen senyi nisho tamba de dan pen pi duam se duam ani senyi yenda penjun chog duam wa degen senyi de zole ya daji je ya riba tosre ani de ya daji je ya de la 제가 단 도스마 콘디션만 하지 시에비나 다 하자 링보된 조래 배는 두두 간디견을 당겨도 세사야기 두두 간디견을 용겨도 다안 도스 다 망부 시비줘요래 다 된도 담지 저 뒤에나 제가 단도 콘디션만 하지 망도 예를 내고 소소 송세 내제 대속이야 저진 아니 비세인 초 어떤도 장연도 남비고네 빠드면 나자야 잠깐 순자 요리 입자 요리 납토야 거죠 요 말이 난가 네발 네게야 줘대 찐 딘디긴 주반 조연도 네를 잠깐 세토야 거죠 요 말이 얘나냐 아니 용도 되네 쪼답 찍도 될 수만 단지 내제도 쪼답 그때는 삼로 담이나 차장이 순대니야 삼로 요리 대제 연대 재상가 다 딘디 그딱 답될 건도 주반나지 답시에 될이야 다 농아 줘라다 봐 신이 달라다 봐 페누 콤발라다 봐 세대야 손보 디나노니 달 아니 진이 달라 따가 될이야 아니 단단 건드셔봐 나지 내사근 고요 세조게 되죠 어 된들 따지제야 대따지제야 답시 될이야 따와다 저와다 릭바세네 답시 솜이요 되니 다 매게 따야 돼 제가 내바게야 다 변 당부 저와를 삼는 다음에 건드셔봐 나지 내주대도 차상래 다 아니 따와를 삼는 다음에나 내바게 류캄 냠도 용조 조발 매게 따 요수 집아 탐지를 따고 야래 대리야 내바게 아니 내바게 왕봉아 내바게 드마 줘봐 어떤도 용도 줘봐야 딱지 제야 탐남다 rem바지는 망부송이요래 아니 하관도야 리비게 딱지 제야나 따따미게 딱지 제야 나노래야 믹스게 젤다야 아니 메글다야 제다 메게서 단 내지 망부제기야고 세만 톤토야게 메누나기 어떤디 내리디요래 아니 하관도야 출라다야 돼 출라 따야 돼. 단 마징 조림베 소중 단다 유난이다 아니 아유베디다 등족에 소중 나눠를 출 딱딱 그릭바데 용용게 요리. 단 얘네야 주에 딱딱 주종이야 딱주 요거 잠도 마세. 아니 주대야 용고야 된데 용고야 점세 아니 되나게 제 제벌바 가도게 제벌바. 직다 땡땡 망보 싶지. 디나는 용데 요리. 어때 제용데 폐제 내 삼는 나눠라 출라 딱딱 그릭바 단단 잡을래야 유대니게 소중게 맹게 리파티도 나노니 아니 출라 딱딱 그릭바 제슈다 리비 용로 약슈 할람 따부고 소바리바 나니 셰비 주의 딱딱 그릭바 델레 하지 요마르선 시도 비아르지리 따마지 네 요리 요마르선 시 고야 요마리 렌제 또딱 모스메 로존 나는 디리 냠냠네 나는 디리 수직이 로존 나베이나 부고 소바리바는 잠을랭 진노레데마도 메체다버질 다데버지리 요마리 오토시온데 저rem베rem베 첸투그레 아니 다 젬바데야 라바 솔모리 바세야 되래 다 솔모리 바데라 네바 그 차장 본잠 나서바 누게 리자 망보지를 레네 따지 제토야 요리데 개 제슈데 아니 짜게 짜르데네 양 파짜르데네 소게 잡아지비 닝그 파당 된돌레 데네 아니 제 니긴 진이 망보징도 단다 고도시바나지 니긴 진이 니슈 요도 줘바데 짤때니야 또 투야지 진이 니슈 줘봐 요도 줘봐 짤때네 또 줘봐 잠도 마지 된데게 네데 아니 류게 노자가 감 류게 차시서 줘봐 가르야 단다 가스 바바데 도 가발라 강해라고 책도 어떤 또 요도 줘봐 되니 양도 삼노단 다 투야 된데데 대제 연도 제장 짜딱딱 그리고 제다면 직 짤 따니야 니 딱딱 다 손중에 폐체를 여비서라지도 손게 여비서라지도 어또 제연도 다 얘나야 되게 리비 용로다 랑린 다 진슈다 버지 보기 소바리바 단다 우스 랑린 유되니 단다 보기 소바리바 냠네 제년게 보게 볼로게 보기 소바리빌로 루소 징킹게 메바데서 문투니야 냠네 제대야다 된데리 대제연도 제상가 대랭이 좀 될이야 파도 깨자만보 용도 카보레 아니 하버드야 다 루소 젬바 넘바 쪽에 오늘아 된데베지 조번네베서 로존데 냠제베지 난 고야 빼마서 개점을 되자 어 된데 남바지나 니 단지 콘도 잡아나지 저 단다 된데 냠뉴유니기 멤버 아니 리비 중로 라글린 된저 만냐베 되자베지 대제용도 인조 파조야 제기제기 냠뇨 딘데기 때는 냠뇨 베레다 제기제기 찰래야데 시부 개천벌에 삼바라부 요 대제 연주 아니 도스야 딱 문에베 간제도 렌제소 롭존나 아니 냠냠네 제네야 동인 손도 가버려 성게 다 망부심 먹고 버지 다 단단 곤도셔바나지 니 나노르다 저 부게 소바리바 딱탑리바 잠도 마세다 세리바 딱탑리바냐 용거 세리지게 아요베다 세리지게 딱탑 안 세리지게 딱탑 대솔야 삼노 담비나 다 제단 자가게 세리지인데 불려야 제단 다 자가게 초더리 좀 망부지 불는 좀 요래 아니 하버도 자가게 세리지인데 부게 나노래 지지게 리바 렘바 당보도 페이지 인절 삼게 또 로주를 삼지 제바이나 두랍 지바 나노니 자가게 멤버 불려 페요래 자가게 mention 불려 다리요래 세인도 제자 호흡도 페이지 타지 도야 제리야 지지니 다비 아니 불러 다비 리용 나노니 자가게 세리지든 아슈레스는 라도야 라브제레 아니 대참도 마세 단도 콘도 셰바나지 두랍 돈바 제바 덴데 나노래야 자가게 케바마보 페요래 아니 믹세게야다 두랍 제바 나노래야 왁 바다긴 제자죠 년라 제비닝부도 봐 보다 조요리 아니 되니 양자 두랍 주바 나노래야 늘바니 볼 조요리 대체연도 제자 아요베딩데 부게 소와리바기야 다드롭다 라렌다 된쪽 그때는 등사계자 맞서는 지부적인 인플루언스 요되니 하남 직배 이야바라버지 되니 로가르지 빠 제비나 하남 제야 깔리 가고 요되니 땅 문에 배 소소소소 다도만 보여로 어때인도 제장도 시부진 저 봐요 되니 되니 저래자 아니 된데 제 연도 단다 근데 자가 제 리길에 도스 다연도 근데 부그 소리가 나지 딱딱 그리고 지 소도 마솜소 잡죠 내단세네 내지 그리고 디나노라 네게 저진 천이 차산 송게도 될래 아니 네게 딱딱 그리고 도 되니 시고야 저 잡죠 대도 제가 호흡도 갈 때에나 부그 소리가 지고 마도 메다니라 저 삼노다면이나 자가 제 리진을 딱딱 그리고 세대야 소도면도 대 가리는 삼바 잡죠 문에 야고진의 삼노다면이나 아니 네게 저진 된조 차산 디나라마 땡을 심어 남다고 군 땡을 밥저 따들이 봐서 돼 소도 거야 되 면조들이 덴바라지 유대요래 제가 따뜻 좀은 기타진 롭종진나 시투 그래 아니 되게 딱답을 그리고 저 제와데 네지 주의 당분 좀 생년에 대 토반에서네 내정아 좀 소당네 되게 수지 검제다 내지 시벌정 등아 잡이니 또 말루시럽 토반에서네 다 네게 저진 나로 다 된돌을 제바지야래 다 네 마음보시면 그거지 아니 내배 땅 거라도 좀 개바도 좀 축직도 보지 나지 아니야 삼노 땅인데 네발라 따바다 네라 따바는 예반이 제도 록 브레이크 로기 브레이크 제단 든데제는 야 삼노 땅인데 제 땅다 그러고 망보지 단도 건도 셔바나지 소와리바 메타 탑시도 좀 잡으시라를 하바도 깨자 돼야 아니 내사가 유두 나주 니자 세조 공바 텐존에 제야 돼서 하남 잡으라고 저리 돼요래 다 소소소소라 땡땡만 보는 거 단도 건도 집어나지 자도 출라 다야 돼서 아유베디가 따는 게 요래 안 하바도 출라 다야 돼서 배추나라 놈 로니야 델 빈드스는 델로니 딱답지 숨게 요래 아니 단다 부게 소바리바게 추타답게 리바다 다 출라 따고 잠지레마도 리바다 자비 리비 중로다 라네도 좀 만다버려 아니 나디 프렉샤세네야 잘 딱답 용게 요래 아니 자그 딱답 되죠냐 네바 송기 찐로 당소라 저 송되게 요래마도 야변의 부기야 소바리바나지 안자 컨디션 파게 요래 두둑 짠 주바 컨디션 조고 요래 자이랑지 컨디지 요래 아니 라바더바다 베 주바 중니가 따네 아니 네게 네도 가르가르 요미 직세돼야 돼 다 부기 소바리바나지 요데미 다 렘베 배도 냠집 제는 첸토리아지리 오토진도 다 덴데레자 다 되니 마부시면 거 다 되니 바 유난히서로 차자비나 제단 단지 공도시바나지 유난히다 부기 소바리바니 보데 로주기 되는 데바 전부 유되니 유난히게야 부기 소바리바 인플루언스 세네면도 축전라고 전부 유되니 덴데레자 대 영어 거야 좀센데 단지 공도시바나지 최소 대진 그 구들라 아니 그리기 멤버 갈리누스에야 불이야 되는 시요래 갈리누기야 불라 갈리누 루소 그리게 루소데 파시아 주니야 불라 레데바 된데지레 제탄 파시아데 두랍 셈비 두랍 두랍 구바 긴니야 파시아데 부게 다 총야 약수 땅승 놀지 잘 보세요. 아니 리종 점 땡는 저바 첨부 요리 벤조르기 땡는 저바 첨부 요리 안 라바도 다 가서 봐봐 멘조르 바 자자버니나 10분 저바 첨부 요되니 지레자 아니 라바도야 유난히 나노라 단다 백개 묵보다 찍세대야 돼서 세리기게 세단다 짠이 부기 세단이 맨다만 망보지 요리 제가 대도 유난히 세단다 된디게 돈이 무슨 냠지 제주 요되니 된디지 되자 제가 단 유난히 고라는 야 딱딱 그리고 지세는 다 망보지 중요요리 아니 쓰다 데다 간디지능에도 약고진 거 좋으면 되래 세단데 부게 단다 메인거 로주 된디게 나눠려야 왕중나부 주세대야 송야지요리 다 왕중나부 주대 쓰다 그 잡이 도대 왕중나부 주인 바 세보시다지래야 이네 부게 게 나눠로 왕중나부 주 부게 나 저 나자바 된디 카투요 말이 고랑 게 잡이 좀 다다 딱딱 그리고 받다 된도 도 따용도 아니 믹스에 다 땡땡이 요바듯이 심고 소다지래 호프티칼 때문에나 단다 세리지 그 송단나지지 요되냐 된디지래자 난 호모베땡데 부게 로주게 땡니 아니 부를 달바다 랑에 부를 달다 된데 무슨도 매리 소다지래 난 얘나야 호모베테 고랑이 지지다 drob데 단다 내추럴 패틱스 해야 돼 대지용도 아니 된 잠블랭 지텐 지체는 yapendo 약부 시부지 요니 아니 뒤에 따바다 좀 타다 랑에 되쪽에 파종은 또 소균에 소와리 발라서 소균이 요니 되쪽 셰도를 나고 지 고도를 파도 배트면이나 아니 랑년이나 맨 내가 딱지 제당 랑년이나 니를 맨조 제당 랑년이나 맨조 제답 랑년이나 망보제리아 펜존 들바 시도 망보 시부지 되니 제주 유대니 기잖아 다리 좀 빼마지비 개첨보제리 되자 아니 니 땅따로 관에 쪼 제와데 난 네발이야 가도 무슨 네발 그 졸바데 용하다 텐조를 땐데 들바 되나 아니 도지야 마도 빼 장첨보지야 자다야도 직세대야 된데 무슨 데날 숨고 염에등에 야부진 고조마서 도스리 되자 어떤 힌두 단다 콘도 시바나 증은도 로주기 때문에 삼노 담바이나 불란데다비 냠제다 속젠다 된데 배지 조닝박 때문에 종요리 아니 단당은 조야 지 드랍 사반디나로리아 차젠다 다 된데 배 시부지 야부 요되어리 대인도 당은 좀 된데지 냠분 좀 투야다 아니 냠보 내가 제도야 냠제 제야지 잉에바도 공이 시바저리 되자 잉에바도 공고요버지 대제연도 제상 잉에레바나를 가리어서는 다 드랭은 또 손도 고주 받점지리 잉도 문투네야 문투네 아니 냠점 ter치바지네야 제기 땡 셰도 요야다 제기 레차지 신다기 렌 투야다 렌 당가서 렌 투바점도 마지 페퍼 그때 티자바점도 마지 문에 네발이야 펜도 요니 때냐 라닝 나노 치투야 된데게 레바 전부 저기요 아니 가딜라는 맵체스야
도체나 대제 제대로 군든 구절라민 메람바 청담리 촌에 칼롭가딘 경규 Address for the guest of honor, Dr. Chewan Tamdin, personal physician to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Sir, you have time limitation of 10 minutes.
Thank you. I will keep on time. Actually, I'm a Tibetan. I mostly speak in Tibet, But for me, as my mother tongue is Tibetan, so today when I speak in English, I don't know how much you will understand what I'm saying now. But if my English is not sufficient, then I will try to speak second language as a Hindi. And then if it doesn't work, then I will speak on Tibetan. So I apologize for all these things. So without spending any more time, I respect fully to say as a Geshe Ngawang Samdela, the Vice Chancellor for Tibetan Higher Study here in Saranath, and also Dr. Rakto Lobsang Tenji, the Department of Dean of Department of Sawarikpa, Dr. Doji Damdula, and also guest of honor from Unani, Sindhi, Ayurvedi, and Homeopathy professors, and also distinguished guests, and also audience, and also those who came from outside for this seminar. So I would like to say today is this theme of the seminar, the National Seminar on Diagnosis, which is really as it was said and described by Dr. Agtola before, is one of the very important subjects which we need to discuss earlier in long time, but it is not known as a very late, but still we have a time to do, and these subjects for the diagnosis in Tibetan system of the medicine and other alternative system of the medicine and also Western system of the medicine, they all have their own unique for the form of the diagnosis, the way, and some of this, as we say, as the modern medicine nowadays, the modern medicine, the technology is very highly developing, and it's going very advanced. But in many diseases, this modern science is not helping for at all. And even now, it's not helping for those people who are really financially very low in background, because these are quite expensive. And even if you go to a hospital, they take maybe 1 week or 10 days to diagnose what you are suffering. But this ancient Tibetan or alternative system of the medicine, what I'm saying now is a traditional system of the medicine for diagnosis, is really very handy, not expensive, affordable, and very convenient, and also very time saver. In my experience of last 34 years in this field, as I'm as a physician, I'm not as a lecturer, I'm not as a teacher, but I do only practice for patients, those who come to see me. And when we face the patient, then we heard a lot of stories from them for the complication, for their diagnosis, for their medicines. Even in the States, the people used to come to India to get the treatment from the alternative system of the medicine. It doesn't matter for Tibetan medicine or homeopathy or Ayurvedic, but they say that they spend thousands of dollars for the diagnosis of what their patient is suffering. But in the final result, they say, you are all right. But the patient says, I'm not all right. I'm suffering. So what you are suffering? Physically, you can see something from the machines, because machines can diagnose something, but it is also dependent on the many other things also. But in Tibetan system of the medicine, you are not dependent on anything. You are dependent on yourself. Because when you come to see the doctor, you don't need to go to for many circles for the specialist and also for as a diagnosis through the blood test, for the urine test, ultrasound, sonography, so such a machines, which you never heard before also, which you never went. But even then, they says you are fine. But as we see by the pulse, by the diagnosis through the urine, then person, when we describe to them what you are suffering, what the patient is suffering, from how many years and how he is suffering, then people are surprised and they are really appreciate. So this is not the appreciate of the person, but this is appreciate of the qualification and also the knowledge of the healing. So such time, now is the 20th century, we are in advancing technology. We are depending now, these days, we are depending, in future, we are also depending with a robot. They says you don't need any house cleaner, you can use a robot to clean your house. You don't need a car driver, you need as a solar. So we are in such advance, but still the need of the traditional diagnosis is much more needful and much more important than the technologies. It's not convenient as a technology, and sometimes in many other ways I used to tell to the patient sometimes, we are not God, we have as we as a person, in a form of person, we have a limit knowledge. Sometimes we cannot see by the pulse, we cannot see through the urine. We advise for them to do such things which you to make it clarify, as in the sense of the virus. How much virus? You can see the virus, but you have to judgment the quantity, the viral load. So such for cases like hepatitis B and C like that. You can diagnose it through the person that the person is suffering with such disease, but the minimum and the maximum, even like blood pressure, through the traditional system of medicine by diagnosing the urine and pulse, they can read about your blood pressure, your heart rate even. But the amount you need to see through the machines, you know. But nowadays, you know, these sort of things are sometimes not valuable. People see that this is not very valuable because the technology is much more easy or much more evidence basis. But in my opinion, in my experience, I don't say this is not as a non-valuable. This is much more higher valuable nowadays because the mental suffering nowadays are more increasing. Such like in the West, you can see about 60 or 70% of the people are suffering from the mind. Even those who are small kids, who are going for school, nursery, in a family, how many of them are suffering? So how you diagnose this with the mental suffering? Why through the machine? You cannot do the MRI that your psycho problem could be diagnosed through the machine. So these are only diagnosed through the traditional system of medicine. And when you are diagnosed properly, you are also treated with this disease very well. And not only the psycho, but even in your body, you have a lot of disease comes through the, we in Tibet call like a cold and hot disease. And they call as a wind disease, they call it a bile disease, they call it as a flame disease, they call it as a combination of these things. But all these disease in the Western science, they don't have any idea of these things. They never say about the lung, they never say about the vayu. They cannot dictate it through the machine even too. But this vayu can affect your heart, it affects your brain, it affects your bones, it affects your tissues, it affects your movement also. And it affects your reproductive organs, sometimes it also causes as infertilities also. So when we are practiced first time in New Delhi in 1982, we did study about the Tibetan Medicine Week. At that time, we have just for 1 week program, but we could not finish in 1 week. We have to stay over a month. Why? Those people who are coming to us for their consultation, and through these two systems of diagnosis, you know, they diagnose it well, they treat it well, and after that they says, you see, they are suffering with a 15 years problem could be solved in 1-2 weeks also. They feel much better. I mean that it's not cured, but much more better. So how this could be happens? By diagnosis. Proper diagnosis, proper understanding of your body, and proper understanding of the energy level wise. So in Sowa Rigpa, as Sowa Rigpa, now since we came from Tibet, from in India, in early time in Sowa Rigpa has a very practicing very long in Tibet. So through the cultural revolution, there's a lot of damage in Tibetan system of the medicine, plus with Tibetan culture, Tibetan religion, or many things. So now in India, since in 1961, His Holiness Dalai Lama started this institution where I'm working as a Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute. So we are not working only by one on the medicine also. We used to work through the spiritual basis plus with the astrology also. These three things are very important in our treatment, when we apply a treatment, when we prepare a medicine, and also for these three of them are important for preventive and curative. His Holiness always says Tibetan medicine has a lot of potential to cure, to prevent the disease. He always encourages us. In early time, in 70s and 60s, from Tibet, people come to India to studies and exchange of knowledge. And also from Mongolia and also from India, the people like in northern part of India, like Himalayas, people used to come to Tibet to study about the spiritual Buddhism and also medicine. Now we are in India. We are not as a neighbor, we are as in a family in India. Why we don't exchange our knowledge? Why you don't go and discuss all these things of the matters, what we want to share and studies about the medicine, about the diagnosis, about the treatment, and about the research basis. So today's Organization of National Seminar on Diagnosis is very important, and it's not only today, but in future, this should be continuous more and more. And Sowa Rigpa is mainly Indian system of medicine, Ayurveda, Unani, everything is mainly for the purpose for the life of the people, for the suffering, not for the person who are pleasuring. So modern medicine is basically more on that basis, focusing more with money, economy, but traditional medicine are more with life, not for the money, not for the reputation, but for the saving of the life. So to keep and preserve, not only by one, but we have to work together. We should work together, we should be more exchange of knowledge, we should have more seminars, and then outcomes much more better. What say about in Tibetan medicine and the Ayurvedic, sometimes they say, okay, they are similar. If you know Tibetan medicine, you don't need to know about the Ayurveda. I say, no, why you are saying like that? For example, in India, in Tibet, there's a different way of saying, you know. In India, for the babies, you just keep the head warm. Even the old people, they used to wear the capes and wear the turban on the head to protect the head more warm. Since if your head is warm, you say you don't get cold, you don't get flu, your body keep on warm. In Tibet, we don't say head is not important, your feet is more important than that. So we always put the shoes to the kids, never go without shoes. So this is the difference. They know the cold comes from cold exposure, but from which part of the cold it comes, from the lower part or upper part. And also it's very saying, like in Nabi dislocation. In India, this always says, okay, I have a Nabi dislocation. Before I came here, I have one patient. She told me, do you ever heard of this Nabi dislocation? Yeah, I heard. But we don't say that. We say your liver enlargement. We call sometimes your liver descending, you know. So these are very different, but saying very similar things. Like for example, like Kesar. Sometimes they say Kesar is very hot in India, Ayurveda. We don't say Kesar is hot because Kesar is more in cool nature. So when you have a bleeding, you can take Kesar. It helps for you to stop the bleeding. So those people who are having the piles, they say, okay, you had a cancer, maybe because of the hotness you have a bleeding. So these sort of the knowledge, you can search inside what is the difference between these two things and how it works in your body and how you have to apply these things. So there are many, many, many things if you go in really on the practice and also the research, then a lot of things are differences. And also the Ayush, you know, the Ayush, the recognition of Sowa Rigpa, is really, we appreciate for that. We are also thankful for the government of India, and in future also we need a lot of help from your side to supporting to documentation and such seminars to happen. And what is the main aim of the Sowa Rigpa? It's only said Sowa Rigpa is those who wish to live longer, those who wish to live healthier, or those who really wish to live long. This is the purpose of Sowa Rigpa. So of all field of the spiritual work, astrology, and also through the medicine, what is the main purpose? Purpose is only one, to keep life safe or good healthy life. So we cannot do our own side with one way, but we need a supporting from others also. So the joining work together, as we call sometimes like a cancer, you know. The contribution from the Tibetan medicine to the cancer is very huge. Yeah, sometimes doctors, they are also very surprised because of the chemotherapy side effects and also the effect of the chemotherapy. The Tibetan medicine works much more percentage than the chemotherapy because it has a double advantage to reduce the canceration and also to save the good cells in your body. So such things as such property or such valuations are in Sowa Rigpa, and I just saying finally, we are very happy to, and I congratulate to Sarannath that these departments organize such a valuable seminars, and in future also this could be continued. And from the institute in Dharamshala also, we are looking forward for the more in this seminar equally for the benefit of people and the change of knowledge, studies, and hope. Lastly, this would be coming in next years also, and also we can work together much more. And thank you very much.
투체나 대제 제대 군든 로벤 치모 엔 카빌란 MGR 맹기 툴라 롭다 치모 시다 대쟁게 겐지 초네 칼롭 송신하교 now addressed by the guest of honor Professor N Kabilan, Head of Department of SIDA, Dr. MGR Medical University, Tamil Nadu. So you have.
Good morning to one and all. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Central University of Tibetan Studies, Registrar of these Central Universities, Dean and Head of the Department of Sauriba, Guest of Honors of other IU systems, participants of these national seminars, other faculty members of this university, participants of this national seminar, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great privilege to address the gathering on behalf of the SIDA system. I extended my sincere thanks to my Vice Chancellor, Dr. Geeta Lakshmi, the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, for permitting to present a topic titled NADI, that is Pulse Diagnosis in SIDA. I congratulate Department of Sauriba of the Central University for organizing such a valuable seminar on diagnosis in all Indian system of medicine. I hope it is the first time all under one roof. Thanks for your initiating. Definitely it will lead for many success and various research in our field. Nowadays, an increasing occurrence of non-communicable diseases, communicable diseases, and the emergence of the new diseases, diagnosis form one of the core foundations of medical sciences. Diagnosis plays a vital role in clinical studies. In fast-growing world, diagnostic procedures are costlier and less affordable to the poor people or the common people, particularly of developing and undeveloped countries. In this view, it is the right time to explore the possibilities of good diagnostic tools from traditional system of medicines. The follow of this seminar in future, all the Ayush systems will coordinate to standardization of their parental procedure. This is an important one. I trust all the participants who come all the ways from their place to know new ideas to develop our ancient Indian system. In the SIDA system, there are 9 SIDA medical colleges in India and 3 postgraduate institutions in India. Among one is National Institute of SIDA in Chennai. 2 more SIDA medical colleges in Sri Lanka also. Once again, I appreciate the organizing team to provide an excellent hospitality with good team spirit. I express my gratitude to Department of Sauriba for inviting me as a resource person on this national level seminar. Thank you.
대제 최대 군든 로벤치모 엔 나피스 바노 유나니멘 기tuk라 lokhan gilopti chone kalok songchen nangyu. Now addressed by the guest of honor, Professor N. Nafis Banu, Principal, Government Unani College, Bhopal.
Respected Excellencies, distinguished guests on the dais and off the dais, good day to all of you. Before I give a brief talk, I would like to congratulate the organizers of this seminar. The topic really selected very today, it's the need of the hour, the topic, National Seminar on Diagnosis. Really, I appreciate the organizers for selecting such a topic. And then I thank the organizers for inviting me to address this inaugural session, because I don't find myself for such a place. Really, I'm thanking you. I'm thankful to you for giving me such a respectable place. Thank you, sir. And basically, I'm a clinician and an academician. And academician also like my approach is clinics. In the academics part, I prefer clinics because if you just study theory, that theory has to be applied. That's the part of medicine. And we, all of us, this gathering is really one unique gathering. We have all systems of medicine presented here. We all have to be we have to emphasize on the clinic part because that's very important for diagnosis and we have just forgotten it. We're just leaving it behind. None of us, like supposing a patient approaches us, we just go. Today, what is practiced today is we just start writing investigations. Most of us, be it Ayurveda, be it Unani, be it homeopathy, anybody. We are not practicing the pulse, the tongue, or whatever. We have many ancient system is really very rich. So that has to be practiced, no doubt. I appreciate the organizers and I hope and I wish also like the theme which we started, like we have started today the theme, we will succeed and I wish we succeed in the diagnostic systems and we bring it into the practice. We have all gathered here, not just a formality, we should bring it into our practice. We are forgetting pulse diagnosis. We don't have many expert people here. We don't know. Even I am a practitioner of Unani system of medicine. We have very good pulse diagnostics. But even I don't know much of it. I don't know. We here, we have gathered, really it's a good gathering with different systems of medicine. We can exchange our knowledge, fine. And most of the things we have in common, all of us. As earlier said by Professor, I don't know the name, head of the department, in his keynote address, he said the three great systems of medicine, in fact, these are the three great systems of the world. The Indian system, the Chinese system, and finally the Greek system. The Greek system of medicine is what we have today as the conventional system of medicine. Because the Greek system of medicine, which is being practiced in the crude form, is the Unani system. And the developed form of the Greek system is the allopathic. So today, the whole over the world, what we are practicing or we have, the conventional system, the Indian system, or be it the Chinese system, all these systems, no doubt, are the great systems of medicine in the world. And if it is said in the Tibetan system that if you are not, if you do not know all these three systems, really, you may not be knowing the medicine at all. And if you know these three systems, in fact, you will be knowing everything all over the world. So I personally feel like in this gathering, though I'll be giving my talk tomorrow related to Unani system of medicine, that I'll be giving tomorrow. But today, to address you all, I find this surroundings really, the outside, the inside, all over, it's really very, congenial, it's very pleasing, and we can absorb whatever is said here. We can interact. In fact, we all will be gaining much with this gathering, with this surroundings. So I feel personally that really this gathering and this seminar is the need of the hour. We have to know the diagnostic tools which were in the past we have forgotten. We have to revive those tools, be it pulse, be it urine, be it or anything. They are all. We have to revive those techniques in our practice because such gatherings are needed, in fact, to revive those past things which we have forgotten. We are really leaving our roots and we are going to these modern techniques. No doubt they are required in the emergencies. We need them in emergencies. But why should the emergencies arise? Because we are leaving the basics. See, actually what happens when a person is not feeling well? That means something has gone wrong. And that first thing wrong can be corrected by all these traditional systems of medicine. That emergency will not arise if we take a step at this level. And we just leave it. We go on along with that. All of us present here, even myself, we just ignore these symptoms which are just the functional derangements. If these functional derangements are corrected by the traditional systems. No doubt they will be corrected only by our traditional systems, because these functional derangements, they don't need any medicine. They don't need any medicine. Medicine is required only when you are in an emergency, and that develops because we have left behind the traditional systems, because they are the ones which teach us how to prevent disease. They teach us, in fact. So I really thank the people, and I wish this seminar a great success, and further more seminars to come following this. This is just the first step. So I wish all of the organizers and all, even I feel that I will come again if invited for further. This is just a preliminary or the first. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. DJ la chede kunde homeopathic mengi tholobgi lobenchemo Shripat Hagre chone sungsha kandi kyangyu. Addis by the guest of honor, Professor Shripat Hagre, Government Homeopathic Medical College, Bengaluru. So you have time, 10 minutes.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू वन एंड ऑल। आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं, शुभोदय। I am very happy to be here in front of you, Honorable Vice Chancellor Ji and all the other dignitaries on the dais, my colleague doctors and my dear students. I give first preference for them. They are here to spread the Saurikpa or the Indian system of medicine. I congratulate them first because they are our future. They are taking our message, what we are sharing here in these 3 days of our seminar. And I wish and I hope the message of this diagnosis from all the Ayush and Saurikpa, let it spread from this holy place of Saranath and Varanasi. I don't think such a holy place you will not get anywhere in the world. I am very happy to say that, very proud to say that. And I remember the quotation from Bhagavan Buddha, because we are talking about the health. World Health Organization has stated very clearly, what is health? It is not just merely absent of disease. Health is psychologically, emotionally, intellectually, spiritually, healthy is a health being and social health being. I hope only the Ayush and Saurikpa could be able to give this type of health. That's what the World Health Organization has identified and recognized and declared. And earlier, before 2012, it was 5: Ayush, Ayurveda, Unani, Naturopathy and Yoga, Siddha, Homeopathy. It was 5 like this. Now above that, since 2012, Saurikpa is there. Give it a big hand. The Government of India has recognized it from 2012 and it is added to Ayush. We are proud. We are all together here. Bhagavan Buddha quotes, do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. That is health. Health is the greatest gift, contentment, the greatest wealth, faithfulness, the best relationship. I hope he has clearly mentioned all the things, what is the secret of a human's health. And today, I hope Department of Saurikpa did all these things. The greatest gift what they are giving to the health from this platform is spreading the message, calling the different peoples from the all over India and out of the India to make awareness of this and spreading. And I would like to say what is health according to the great Honorable Dalai Lama. Happiness is the highest form of health. Happiness is the highest form of health. A very brief statement he has given about the health. Then still further, I would like to quote one more from Bhagavan Buddha. He says, where is happiness? Happiness does not depend on what you have or how you are. It solely relies on what you think. what you think, there the happiness is there. It is no, you cannot purchase the health. We should enjoy the health. And still further say, how is the pathway for happiness or health? There is no path to happiness. Happiness itself is the path. I would like to repeat this. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. So wonderful golden quotations. I think we understood this. And I remember even yesterday when I started from Bangalore to here, one of the scientists we met, I said, no, I am going to Varanasi. Like this, there is a national seminar is there. He asked, what? Saurabh. He said, okay, good. I remember he had been to Ladakh. Then suddenly he developed the gastroenteritis. Means it's a cholera-like manifestations. Maybe because of the water or a food changes, like loose motion and vomiting, he had a very severe attack. Then he could able to go to one of the Saurabh dispensary and he took a medicine. He says, like a miracle, within 2 minutes, I became all right and I could able to continue my journey. Give a big hand to Saurabh. This is what first time I came to know, a place like Bangalore, I could able to hear where there is a good treatment and within a fraction of second, it could able to do the miracle. That is the greatness. I wish all these 3 days for all the speakers and dignitaries and delegates, all the best. Enjoy, share your experiences, take away the good knowledge and sources, spread this message throughout the world, let the health and happiness come from this place to everywhere. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Teje Chede Kundun, Indian Institute of Panchkarma, Kerala Lobchi Surba, Lobenchimo, Suresh Chone, Sunche Kalum Nangyu, addressed by the guest of honor, Professor Suresh Kumar, former director, Indian Institute of Panchkarma, Kerala.
Respected Vice Chancellor, Head of the Department of Saurabh, other dignitaries on the dais, and dear participants. I am happy to be part of this gathering. The motive of this seminar, I was told, is to sit together and look at the past, see the present, and make use of the best in the coming years. So, all the components of Ayush, which now includes Tibetan medicine also, we will look at it with the perspective of diagnosis, that how can the best diagnosis from these systems of medicines can be studied, learned by each other. Maybe there may be system of diagnosis in one system which may be little weak in the other system. And with this intention, we wish to get the best of all these 5-6 Indian systems of medicines, including Tibetan system of medicine. I was asked to deliver a lecture on pulse diagnosis, and that too particularly in, say, cardiology or say liver diseases. Now, with this intention of the organizers that they want to go into the deeper details of our past much publicized pulse diagnosis. There are many persons who will say that, oh, there are Vaidyas who can diagnose such and such disease, or who can put their fingers on the pulse and tell what they have eaten 7 days before, and what is the present status of digestion of that 7 days before diet, and that's why there is a pain at particular place. I think most of the things are exaggerations. Pulse is a very important component of the diagnosis system, and it has to be studied in all details with collaboration to all other, say, the signs, symptoms, the status, the disease, objective and subjective condition of the body. We'll try to collaborate all those things and make it to the present status and present understanding. Present status and understanding is that whatever is there, there should be reproducibility. If we are doing a ECG of a person with such and such damage in the heart at a particular place, there is a particular type of then wave, and everybody will be able to recognize. One doctor, second, 10th and 11th, maybe 10 generations, the same thing should be reproduced, and then it is perfect. Whereas when we talk of the pulse in today's scenario, we talk of the pulse in today's perspective. When I was taught in 70s, we all talked about pulse and nobody taught us. Actually, pulse is one of the best diagnostic system, which was the need and development of that time when we were not computerized, when we were not of this highly technical era. And that time our highly trained fingers were making the judgment. And these highly trained fingers were then conveying you the status of your health and illness. If physician might have seen 1, 2, 10 and 100 of particular patients and must have observed a particular type of pulse, and then the teacher has thought this pulse is diagnostic of cirrhosis of liver. This pulse type of pulse is diagnostic of myocardial infarction. This pulse is diagnostic of left ventricular failure. So we'll try to go into details during our that keynote lecture, but in this inaugural session, I wish that we should commit to respect all systems of medicine, and maybe a smaller thing which is better from any system of medicine we should learn. We should integrate it into our own knowledge and make use of this not for ourselves but for the best of the ailing humanity. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. DJ la tholop di nye verigda loben chimo geshin ngawa samden chone kalwasung ge dizu lobo chegyu. Now address with the Professor Geshin Ngawan Samden, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Central University of Tibetan Studies.
Honorable Bhikshu Sangh, these distinguished personalities on the dais, and the distinguished experts among the audience, the participants, the faculties and staff, and the students of this university. I appreciate these initiatives undertaken by the medical department of our university, and for choosing this particular topic and to have interaction among the Indian medical traditions. As the earlier speakers have said, India had been a place
where very intensive and high quality interactions took place in ancient time among the various philosophical traditions, spiritual traditions, and also among the medical traditions. So as a result of which, there was significant advancements that took place in India, followed by that in Tibet as well. There had been interactions among the philosophical traditions, and also particularly in the medical tradition. The emperors of Tibet, starting from 7th century onward, conducted international conferences, not just for 3 days or a week or for a few weeks, but for months together, inviting scholars from Persia, from India, from China, and also having the senior medical professionals from within Tibet. It was held under the ordinance of the emperors of those time, and as a result of which lots of emphasis was given on the development of a medical system. We can see in Tibetan medical system, the Sowa Rigpa, a very sophisticated medical system with a very profound philosophical background and modes of treatment and different ways of diagnosis and the making of medicines. Today we are talking about, the topic itself is on diagnosis. This is certainly, I usually feel that this is the most important thing in human life, diagnosis. What is diagnosis actually? Diagnosis is to identify the problem. Whether it is with the health, physical health, or it is with the mental health, or it is with the social problem, or it is with any kind of problem, educational problem, human problem, social problem, national problem, local problem, and then it can come down to this today's relevant topic of a physical problem, right? If you look at it, because in human history, those who have been able to diagnose the problems, identify the problems properly, then they could address it properly. If you look into the history, then you can see this process. Those who have been able to identify the problems in their life, in their social life, in the from the very larger perspective, then they are able to solve it, given the fact that the process of solving the problem had been, appropriate. Today we are here in Sarnath, where Buddha gave the first Dharma sermon. Buddha also said the same thing, diagnose it, diagnose the problem. That is why in his first Dharma sermon, he said, the first teaching, the first word was dukkham, dukkha satyam. What does it mean by saying dukkha satyam? Yes, he identifies the problem that we have. Unless we identify and realize that the things we have, the problems that we have, and we agree and realize the problems that we have, we won't be aware and we won't realize those things as a problem. I won't go into the details, but once we are able to identify the problem, it again depends on the intellectual and the potentials of understanding the problems. Those who can understand a very superficial problem, they can address the problem at a very superficial level. Those who can go a little bit deeper and identify the problems and diagnose it, they can, give a better treatment. And those who can go to the deepest level of problem and diagnose it and identify them as a problem, then they can apply their mind and they get treatment to that level, at the ultimate level. So it depends on your intellectual understanding and your sense of, understanding the problem. So Buddha of course addressed it at the ultimate level, that if you want to eradicate the problem, then you have to address it at the very ultimate level, at the mental level. And if we are to address it at the mental level, then we have to go to the causes of those, problems that we have, which are not external problems, not the external causes, but we have to address the internal causes and, causes and conditions which are the sources of sufferings, right? So now, once we identify and realize the causes, and then again we have to see that are these applicable, workable, doable? And if these are, and if these sufferings can be eliminated, can be reduced, and it can be eliminated, then we have to apply those causes which can reduce them and eliminate them. Therefore, the Samudaya Satyam and the, Marga Satyam and Nirodha Satyam, if we apply those right path and right ways of treatment, then we can terminally eradicate the problems. And that is the, Nirodha Satyam. So now, this is at a wider perspective the Buddha has addressed. So normally, I used to say that the Four Noble Truths is applicable to your life in every aspect. Apply this as a formula, right? I used to tell my students also, apply this as a formula. First diagnose whatever kind of problem you have, See if this is, where is the problem? And once you identify that this is the problem, if you cannot identify the problem accurately and precisely, then you won't be able to address it, solve it. So now coming to this, related to our physical problem, which is the topic relevant for today, and which is, of course, in this seminar we will be talking about diagnosis of disease and things like that. Again, the Sowa Rigpa, Tibetan tradition, and also Ayurveda and many of the medical systems do not just confine them at a very superficial level, but they address to a very, much more deeper level, coming down to the, mental level, to some or to greater extent. If we are not able to diagnose anything properly, for example, in the case of medicine, a patient goes to the doctor, and if he is not able to diagnose it properly and gives a wrong treatment, of course that would adverse the situation of the patient. And if he can roughly identify and diagnose it, but not in a very precise and accurate manner, again, that is not going to eradicate the disease. So not only misdiagnose, but improper diagnosis is also to be eliminated. We should understand as a physician. Now what is required? Accurate diagnosis with the precision is required, for which a very serious long-term practice is necessary, which is followed by proper knowledge of the system. The modern medicine of course, we have been saying that, and some of our previous speakers have also said. And there is a general tendency that the modern medicine treats, of course, it is a reality to some extent that modern medicine, medical tradition gives a treatment at a very superficial level, at a very, physical level. And the contribution that modern medicine has made is immense. We should accept that. The MRI, fMRI, and with all those, the instruments, we can understand much more detail nature of the physiological systems, and the transplantation of organs have become practicable, doable, and it is being done. Lots of advancement have taken place in medical system. We should appreciate that. But at the same time, the modern medical system, by and large, is related or is confined to external treatment. But in the late recent years, we can say a little bit over a decade, the modern clinical researchers have also started going into the mental level of giving treatments at mental level, giving mind training. The clinical research has made lots of breakthrough in this discipline and in this area, that by making the patients to meditate on certain, for a certain period of time, can give a better treatment. So now, modern medical science is also now entering into the area of, the inner science, we can say in one way. So, by and large, the modern medical system has been giving treatment at a symptomatic level. For example, when a person has a fever, then we have to see that whether this is, the fever is associated with a much more serious, disease, or the fever itself is a disease. If we give some kind of a treatment for the fever itself, then it is going to be a symptomatic treatment, because the fever itself is a manifestation of a larger problem inside the body. So we need to address to the deeper level, and we have to go to a systemic problem, address the systemic problem, and identify the systemic problem. In traditional Tibetan medical system, when there is a patient, I was asking one of the physicians, expert, if you have a patient of this disease, then what would you do? A modern medicine would scan it and do MRI and do all those things and have those results in front of him or her and then diagnose it. And traditional Tibetan Sowa Rigpa, the physician would to see the patient and try to address the causes and conditions of the disease and address at that level. So therefore, quite often I spoke on certain medical forums as well, that the Ayurveda and also the Tibetan tradition of medical system, its treatment is more scientific in many ways. For example, when we have a cancer patient, according to modern medicine, there are certain defined modes of treatment. For example, giving chemotherapy. So the chemotherapy may not necessarily be bearable for the patient. Even if the patient is very weak, he has to undergo chemotherapy. And it has an adverse effect on the body of the patient. Whereas in the case of Tibetan traditional medicine, the physician tests the patient, and according to the nature of the body, physiological system, even if there are 5 patients of cancer patients of same disease, then they can be given different treatment, given the fact of their physical nature. And then the medicine is changed after every 3 to 5, 6 days. And then they develop the immune system so that the body itself can fight with the disease. There are many cases of such treatments and curing such chronic diseases. So therefore, I would like to say, on this dais, I'm the only non-medical person. So the medical persons have given their views, and then in the coming days, we will have more detailed discussions on diagnosis from different traditions. I'm happy that this is taking place. And for the coming 3 days, we will be talking on the theoretical aspect of the diagnosis. And later, we may also have opportunities to do some workshops in which the practical kind of the tradition can be shared, bringing some subjects and bringing some patients. And this is the second time in our university that not only the Soarigpa, we have been conducting Soarigpa conferences and seminars occasionally, but in 2008, we organized one conference on medical system of Ayurveda and Soarigpa, in which scholars from both of the traditions spoke on different issues. The anthologies published from this university. And now this kind of interaction is very important, that we can exchange, and then we can enrich our own system, as one of the speakers has said. And in this way, we can enrich our own system, and the benefits would go to the humanity and the system. Once we have a richer medical system, that would be more beneficial for the for humanity. And of course, through this kind of ongoing process, because it is not a simple tradition, it's profound and has so many things to address. So therefore, occasionally on regular basis, we should organize these kind of conferences and share our experiences. So I today appreciate the medical department for organizing this seminar, and I hope that we will keep this practice going on in future on regular basis. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, sir. DJ Laya Chedolomia Kangi, Rigum, Dr. R.K. Upadhyay Chowne, Thuji Chesung Sungshenangyu. Vote of thanks by Dr. R.K. Upadhyay, the Registrar of Central University of Tibetan Studies.
Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, Central University of Tibetan Studies, respected dignitaries on dais and off the dais, sitting in the audience, participant, dear students. It is my great pleasure to give vote of thanks on this occasion. Let me take an opportunity to express my sincere gratitude and thanks to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Central University of Tibetan Studies, Professor GN Sham Tenji, who has wholeheartedly encouraged the entire team of the seminar and has provided all the facilities that were needed in organizing this ceremonial occasion. I am deeply grateful to Professor Dr. Sripad Hegde, Government Homeopathic Medical College, Bengaluru, Professor S. Nafis Bano, Principal HSZH, Government Unani Medical College, Bhopal, Professor N. Kobilon, Head Department of Siddha, MGR Medical University, Tamil Nadu, and Dr. Shewang Temdin, personal physician to His Holiness, the Dalai Lama Ji, all of whom have taken a lot of pain to come over to our university for gracing this auspicious academic meet. I would also wish to convey my sincere thanks to Professor Lobsang Tenjin, Dean Faculty of Saurabha, for not only delivering the keynote address, but also undertaking this extremely commendable academic exercise of bringing this seminar to reality by continuously motivating his fellow colleagues. I extend my heartfelt thanks to scholars and participants from all over the country who have come across a long way to attend the seminar. My thanks are also due to my faculty colleagues, friends related to administration, and our dear students for their generous support and help, without which this ceremony would not have been a success. I have no words to express my thanks to media persons who have taken pains to come here in this campus to cover the program. Last but not least, I am grateful to all those who have cooperated both directly and indirectly in making this ceremony a success. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, sir.